Contixo F35 4K drone, 2-axis gimbal, 5,000 feet range, 30-minute flight, GPS, auto return, brushless motor, case. Product details. Stop settling for shaky video. The Contixo F35 is the pro-value drone for creators who want premium features without the premium price. The F35's secret is its 2-axis stabilizing gimbal, the must-have feature that delivers smooth, cinematic 4K footage. We paired this pro-level stability with pro-level power, a massive 5,000-foot, nearly 1-mile range, and a 30-minute flight time. You get the timeless performance features, gimbal, range, battery, that actually matter. Backed by a no-worry GPS, auto-return brain, and packed in a travel-ready case, the F35 is the smartest spec-for-dollar deal for the aspiring creator. Equipped with a 4K camera on a 2-axis stabilizing gimbal, features a 5,000-foot, 0.94-mile long-range transmission, provides up to 30 minutes of flight time per 2,500 mAh battery, GPS-assisted flight, auto return to home, follow me, custom path, includes durable brushless motors and a carrying case.